Just hanging out with all my friends at the library. Really good time. So many people to hang out with. Such great company. I'm just gonna stick with my usual desk in the corner of the library with all my friends. Wish I could sit with all my friends, but there's no spare seats, so I guess I'll have to sit alone. What a shame. So I was sitting in my last class at uni today and I was like, wow, I could really go for some cookies. Is this a recurring theme in my vlogs? Maybe, but I'm gonna ignore it. I have fairly good self-discipline and self-control until it comes to chocolate cookies and burritos. But I think that's all right. In the terms of things that I could be addicted to or have a problem with, I think those are all right. So I was driving home and I was like, oh my gosh, I can't wait to make some cookies. Because you know what? Homemade is better than store-bought. I love my store-bought cookies, but homemade, wow. So I got home, I got changed, I ate some like real food because I hadn't eaten lunch yet and it was like 2 p.m. And now I'm cooking some cookies. Or should I say baking cookies? Why is it called cookies if you bake them? Oh yeah. So ran into an issue. We don't have any choc chips to put in my chocolate chip cookies, but it's fine. I've just got some dark chocolate here and I'm gonna cut it up into small pieces and then mix it into my cookie dough. This is fantastic, absolutely fantastic. Am I gonna get salmonella poisoning? I don't know. Gonna risk it anyway. I think we need some tunes. That's exactly what we need. Ooh, what do I want to play? I don't know how to use Spotify. I'm such a grandma.
Gotta keep one jump ahead of the red line, one swing ahead of the sword. Let's get down to business. You are sure to win. I'm never gonna catch my breath. Say goodbye to those who knew me. God got scared to death.
Hope he doesn't see right through me.
With all the strength of a raging fire.
And driving down our streets, you better lock up your man before he meets the new girl in town who just came on the scene. The new girl in town, she's got the coolest hair. She's hip, so cool. I'm gonna get her after school. And yet we like to be like her, 'cause she's the king of the cat's river. Hey, look out, moving van. Look out, look out, look out, look out.
Good to be chilling out. I'm off the clock. Precious hours. Now my girl's what it's all about.
There goes the baker with his tray like always.
Morning, gal.
Morning, monsieur.
Where are you off to?
The bookshop. Speak more than this provincial life. I'll borrow this one. Cookie.
Black one.
Oh, isn't this amazing? It's my favorite part because you'll see.
Okay, I'm gonna stop now. I'll see you when the cookies are done. Oh yeah, this is what you want. Ooh, she foggy. Hello my friends, it is Monday. I don't think I vlogged the last like 2 days, which is so bad of me. But it's just been a mess. Not like a bad mess. Like it's not like bad things have happened. It's just been a lot of things happening in general. So it's, and things that I just can't vlog and just like, oh my goodness, so many things. And I've just been trying to keep up with it all, let alone trying to vlog it. So I'm sorry about that, but I'm gonna try and vlog today as much as possible because this vlog is going up tomorrow. But it is Monday, it is 6 a.m. Woke up at 5, going to uni right now. It's kind of cold. I kind of want to put on my jacket. I'm going to go to uni now. This is a really flattering angle. Alright, let's go to uni. Yay, Monday mornings. Actually, I do like Mondays though. They're good classes, so let's go. This is my favorite spot in the library. It's so pretty. You have such a pretty view and a comfy seat. But I don't often sit here because it gets busy. Hello and welcome back to the library. I feel like I vlog here every week. There are also people studying, so I probably shouldn't be vlogging. While I'm here, I might do an OOTD in the library. I'm wearing this dress from Showboat, denim jacket from Kmart, but I should probably get some work done. I'm obviously home from uni now, but I have had a very busy afternoon. But I have to leave for Bible study in like less than 10 minutes, but my room is an absolute mess. Like the last few days have been so hectic that I just haven't cleaned. So I'm gonna set my timer on my phone for like 6 or 7 minutes. I'm gonna see how much of my room I can get cleaned up because it is a mess. So cleaning time lapse starts now. Perfect timing, and my room is pretty much clean. Like there's a few things that I have to fix up, but like it is so much better than it was, and that was literally like 7 minutes. Perfect. Hey guys, so it's the next morning now, but I forgot to end off this vlog. I am wearing the same shirt that I wore to Bible study yesterday because it's a comfy shirt, so why not sleep in it? It is currently like 7 AM and I'm just editing this vlog and getting it sorted to be uploaded today. I woke up at like 6 and started getting stuff done. I love waking up early. I'm such a morning person. I feel like I'm just so much more productive in the morning. I've had a few of you guys asking about the calendar behind me. I have like a semester 1 calendar here. And a lot of you guys asked me where I got it, but I literally just made it. I went on Word and I made it. I'll kind of show you what it looks like, but I don't want to show you too much because it is like all my assessment and stuff. But obviously I just made a table with the days, the week, the month. I wrote that with a pen, just freehand. And then for the holidays, I just shaded it in like that. But yeah, I use that to fill in all of my assessments so I know exactly how long I have until each piece of assessment is due, which I find a lot easier. And I like to have the whole semester on one calendar because I find if you have month by month, if you have something due really early in the month and you flip over to the next month and see that it's right there, you may not have known about it as long as you wanted to. So it's just really nice to have a calendar that's purely just for my assessment, and I can see exactly how many weeks or days I have until assessment is due, which just makes me feel a little bit less anxious. So I really like doing it that way. Excuse my horrible nails, but I also have this little assessment calendar here too. So this has the class, what the assessment is, the percentage that it's worth, and then obviously the due date, so the month, the day, and the time, and then once it's done, I can check it off. But it's just in order of when it is due, so it's really easy to follow. But that's literally how I keep track of all of my assessment, and I found that it works super well for me. So if you want to use that, feel free. It's super easy just to create your own on Word. Like, it's not hard at all. But I should probably end off this vlog now because I've just started to ramble. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. I'm really sorry about this vlog. I feel like it wasn't up to the standard that I would prefer to create. I just had a really crazy weekend. As I mentioned earlier in the vlog, a lot of stuff was just happening, and it was all good stuff, but it was just kind of like I just lost track of everything. And it was kind of like, you know how you plan your week to be a certain way or your weekend to be a certain way, and then nothing goes to plan? It was kind of like that. So yeah, it was a busy and hectic time, but thank you for watching this vlog anyway. Hopefully my next one will be a bit better than this. But I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys very soon. Goodbye.